So guys, magti-trip tayo ngayon kasi pupuntahan natin sa school o susunduin natin sa school yung mga anak ko gamit sports car. Number one, Siyempre, kailangan naka-master of scent ka. Para siyempre, amoy bago lagi yung sasakyan natin, guys. It's just an experiment, guys, kung ano maging reaction ng mga tao kapag sinundunan sila ng sports car. So she's here. Dito na siya.
Dad, why do you need to bring a sports car to school?
Look at them, baby.
Anyways, it smells good here.
Baby.
It used to smell bad here.
Baby, it's master of scent.
Oh.
Ito naman gagamitin natin mamaya para sa panganay ko. Magagalit yun. Muna natin yung 5,000 steps natin bago sunduin si ate. 2. Sa ate naman, paragi time. Si Bunso mang prank. Oh, sorry. Anong feeling mo magiging reaction ni ate?
Actually, no. She wouldn't react. She's kind of nonchalant.
What?
She doesn't have emotion. She doesn't care.
Okay, let's go. Oh, papunta na kami sa school ni ate. Samahan nyo kami. Sige.
Oh, then why did it? I did it.
Rangi, wachiga, atashi wa shita, asage, asama, atashi wa shita.
First of all, those are two different languages.
Oops. Hindi ba siya nakikita?
Dad,
Why?
why did you have to bring the Ferrari to school? Why this car of all cars? Goodness. Uy. Hey. Oh my God. Zian, can you believe this?
Tingnan ka na mga klase mo.
This is scary.
Guys, my kids are complete. Nandito na si ate and si Bunso. And guys, it's just a social experiment, It's not an everyday thing. So, you don't ever think na, ito yung ganito ganyan. No. Nag-ano lang tayo. Nag-trip lang tayo today. Okay? And we out.